Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into United Overseas online banking account. If you have signed up for access via online ATM or branch, you can use your access immediately. And if you have signed up for access via paper form, you will receive your username and password mailers separately. And also you will need to activate your access via one of the following ways: at any UOB ATM with your UOB ATM card or credit card. And in order to do that, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search bar, go and search for uob.com.sg. And then once you land onto an interface like this, go to the login option that is on the top right corner of the site and tap on it. Now to log into the personal account of UOB Internet Banking, go and tap onto this option. Now you will be directed to the login page of United Overseas Bank of Singapore. Now following the activation of your username, you can log in immediately to the UOB personal internet banking with your username and password. On the username text field, you can enter the username, and on the password field, type in the password that you have set while registering your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, then you can go to the Forget Username or Password option and tap on it in order to register for a new username or a password. And once you are all done, go and tap on Login in order to log into your internet banking account of United Overseas Bank of Singapore. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.